address gani but niskongo try jakaru.
Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Cultural Center observed the Foundation Day celebration commemorating the 123rd visit of Swami Vivekananda to Shillong. Principal Chief Conservator of Forests and Principal Secretary Harish Chandra Chaudhary observed that Swamiji's message of strength and service to humanity continues to resonate.
After his Guru's name, Ramakrishna Mission, he is hiding himself. Great workers, great personalities, they keep themselves hiding. Others will come forward. He Swami Vivekananda started the Ramakrishna Mission after he started just now Vivekananda Ji Maharaj medicine. After his first visit to America, and delivering the historic lecture in Chicago for Lord of World Religions.
The Synod School located in Shillong